Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I just released the unboxing of the latest Dayspring kit. It is titled, What's True About You? Your Own Story. And I just wanted to share with you real quickly. Here's the kit. It's really beautiful. I love it. But I wanted to give you something back for those of you who use our affiliate links when you purchase your Dayspring kits. I know that you get a choice whenever you decide who you're going to support when you click those links, and I just thank you so much when you do that with us, because when you do click those affiliate links, it does support our ministry and also tells Dayspring to keep sending them to us. So I wanted to say a special thank you to those that actually do use our links when you purchase them. And what I'm going to do, starting tomorrow, when you go to our site and you review, you get to see the blog post that has all the yummy goodness that is in here. I'm going to also give you another digital download at absolutely free. So if you purchase the kit, then you can get this digital download for free, and it is absolutely very cool. It is 1-inch cross stickers, and you can print them out at home and cut them out on your die cut machines, or you can cut them out by hand or fussy cut them however you like. But these actually coordinate really nicely with the kit. So I hope that you enjoy this free digital download when you use our affiliate links. And again, I just thank you so much for your support. And it's just something else I wanted to give you as kind of a bonus for just being so supportive of our ministry. I hope that this video is helpful to you and that you are liking or loving the digital download that I've created that goes along with this kit. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Have a good day. Goodbye.